$27 over and over again. Claimed on this brand new website over here that you can try now completely for free. In this video, I'm going to be talking about websites that I've not spoken enough about on my channel before. I've spoken about the site once or twice, but I feel like this is a very underrated website we can use to make money online. Just to be transparent, you can be a complete nobody at this. You don't need any money to get started. It's worldwide. Anybody can access this website and use it and utilize it to make money online. Now, this is not going to be affiliate marketing. We're not going to be doing drop shipping. This is not CPA marketing. We're not going to be selling anything, and we're not going to be recording our own content or speaking on camera or doing anything like that. This is going to be something really new that we can use, and this can also become a complete passive income business. So I really suggest if you want to build up something like this and succeed at this, watch until the end of the video and I will give you a free growth YouTube course at the end of this video. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your No BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey over here on my PC every single day on how I make money online, building landing pages, doing affiliate marketing, drop servicing, trading, all sorts of ways and business models to make money. And here I'm recording all of this on my YouTube channel. So if you want to follow this journey, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into my PC over here. All right, so we're now inside of my PC and this is the first website over here. Now I'm pretty sure you've maybe seen this website before, but not in the way that I'm going to use it today. This website you can use to make money in so many various different ways. In today's video is probably going to be my most profitable and best way to do this. In fact, I'm going to show you someone right now who's making over $500,000 a year using a tool like this. So over here, just to quickly show you how this tool works, you can select from a bunch of templates that fits your project. It's basically a content creator. You can customize content, export and upload content. But what a lot of people don't know about this website is if you actually log in with your account, this tool has a bot where you can transform text into done for you complete videos. And believe it or not, it's actually of very high quality. Most people spend hours putting these kind of videos together. And here is a tool over here that will do this within 2 to 5 minutes. So over here on the screen, if you come over to invideo.io and click on text to video over here, you can see you've got choices from wide, square and vertical. If I had to put it in easy terms, wide is suitable for YouTube, square for Instagram, vertical for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, which is the portrait view. In this video, we are going to be using this tool to literally print money with TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Click on the vertical option over here and you're going to choose this blank blue theme over here because it applies to any niche. Click on use this template over here. Here where you have to add your headline and story, this is where the magic happens. You click on next over here and it will transform all of this text into a perfectly made TikTok and YouTube short video. But for now, we're not done. This is step 1. I want you to leave this open in a tab here for now. Quickly before we continue, I only like to talk about trusted websites on my YouTube channel. Every website that I talk about, I usually review it on the screen over here with a website called trustpilot.com, which is the most trusted review website. And over here you can see InVideo has a 4.5 star rating with an 86% excellent rating. I usually don't use any websites with a 3 or less star rating over here. And just to double check, go through all the comments over here. You will get some people that will have hate comments because they didn't have the experience with the tool that they want to. But you can see over here, most of the people that left reviews are all 5 stars reviews. So it's always important to just double check your website that you're using to make sure that it is trusted and not a spam or a scam kind of a website. And just to extra support this, I did a quick background check on this website for you just to show you what kind of website this is, how much traffic it's getting. So this website is getting 2.8 million views every single month, growing by the month. Last month, over 2.85 million views. This website is currently in the top 21,000 websites in the world, which doesn't seem that great, but if you think about it, there are millions of websites on the internet. So to be in the top 21,000 is actually a very good ranking. And it's the 47th largest website in its category, in the computer electronics and technology category. So this just backs it up that it is a trusted and a usable website. All right. And the next step leads us to YouTube over here. Now, don't worry. We're not going to be recording content. We don't need a mic. We don't need a camera. We don't need any fancy editing software or anything like that. And over here, I want to show you an example of someone doing this from India that is absolutely blowing up, creating simple YouTube short videos on facts around the world. Take a look at this. Flying cars, the future is coming soon. 35 seconds and he got 47k views 1 day ago, and he's only got 59,000 subscribers. Take a look at this. The world's richest dog, 70k views in 8 hours, which is 20,000 people more than the amount of subscribers he has in just 8 hours. Over here is another video. Don't try to find happiness, just enjoy your life. 986k views in just 3 days, 1 million views in 5 days, 1.1 million views in 5 days. And he's earning about $100,000 every single month from creating these YouTube Shorts videos, which equates anywhere to $600 to $1.4 million every single year with just 59,000 subscribers. But which mostly contributes to this is all of these views that he's getting over here. Another good example is this YouTuber over here called Luke Davidson Facts. Very similar concept. He creates simple facts videos such as 3 places you should never swim, secrets the real guards don't want you to know. He got 3.4 million views in just 1 week, and he's literally creating easy fact videos on YouTube Shorts and absolutely blowing up over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Google and we're going to search the following: facts to know. And over here you can see there's just a website, 50 facts to know that you won't believe that you already didn't know. 1, you should throw away the cotton in your medication bottles. It's easy to calculate a tip without a calculator. You're tallest first thing in the morning. You should sleep with your door closed. Sleeping in a cold room can help you slim down. So over here you can see just 50 random facts, and we can actually go and use these to blow up just like these guys are doing. And the best part is we're not only going to make money on YouTube ad revenue, we're actually going to have 2 streams of income from this. So what we can do is we can copy this title over here from this article, come back to our InVideo tool and just paste this as our headline and just maybe change it to 5 instead of 50, because remember the video has to be less than 1 minute long. So over here we can copy fact number 1 just as is. Right click, copy, paste it on InVideo over here and just bullet that number 1. And all you want to do is just copy this brief description over here and paste it underneath. And then what you want to do is type number 2, come back to 50 facts, just copy number 2 like that and paste it over here. And then again, you can just copy this description and paste it underneath. And for number 3, which I'm only going to use 3 over here, we can do copy this title over here. So just right click, copy, paste this over here, and again you just want to paste your brief description over here. And all we need to do is just make sure we've got auto suggest images and videos checked. Click on next over here and click on rearrange text and click on next over here, and it will load up your video in about 2 to 5 minutes, which is done, complete. We don't need to record anything. This software bot did all of the work for us. On the next screen, you'll see each and every slide over here. You've got the heading with the intro. So if I play this, take a look at this. You can see step, and then it goes straight into number 1. And then straight into the description. Then onto point number 2. And as you can see, it just finishes this video for you. What I suggest you do is just click on preview all on the top over here. Just watch through the entire video. If you see any spelling errors or any kind of errors, you can close this, come over to the text on the left over here and just rearrange and fix the grammar over here. Once you're ready, click on download and share on the top right over here and click on export, and it will download straight to your PC after about 2 minutes of rendering. Over here you'll see just a few minutes remaining, 25% left. Once this is ready, we download this to our PC over here with this button over here. And here you can see this is now complete. Click on download over here, and on the bottom left you will see this is now downloading to my PC. And the best part is, with my help, you don't need to spend hours every day thinking of descriptions, titles or thumbnails. You can come over to this website over here called Video Marketing Blaster. It's a tool that will automatically generate titles, tags, and a description for you that will rank your videos on the top pages of Google and YouTube. This website is called videomarketingblaster.com. It is a tool with a once-off price of $27. I'm not going to sell this to you or give you an affiliate link. You can come over straight to the website. I don't get any commissions from this, and I suggest read through what they have to offer. So this basically reverse engineers the Google YouTube ranking system. It finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited and drives 100% free traffic from Google and YouTube. This is a great tool if you're a content creator or want to start your own YouTube Shorts channel and grow your page quickly. Secondly, I recommend another tool called lingoblaster.com, which translates all the captions and titles and text of your video into all languages around the world. which basically gets you an extra 75% of more views and clients from foreign countries that don't understand English. So this is also a great tool that I recommend if you are new to YouTube Shorts and want to use the strategy to grow even more. Again, I'm not going to leave an affiliate link. You can come over straight to lingoblaster.com. I don't get any commissions or rewards from this website. Just as a bonus for you guys, to make even more revenue from your videos and your YouTube Shorts, you can also post these YouTube Shorts on TikToks and go and create a Teespring store selling Facts merch. So what you can go and do is you can come over to Google and just type Fact logo generator and click on enter over here. Come over to the first link, taylorbrands.com, and just enter a logo name. We can type in here Facts and just click on design. And this website will generate you tons of logos that you can go and use on Teespring over here as logos on your merch, your hoodies, your t-shirts, or whatever you want to sell through your YouTube Shorts channel. So over here, let's go and click on, for example, apparel over here. On the left over here, you will see you will make $10.15 profit per sale that you make. Now, you don't need to order any of these t-shirts yourself. You don't need to order bulk and have them in stock at your premises. How it works is this website automatically creates you a store. Every time you get an order, they design the t-shirts, do the deliveries, and keep a percentage. And you get $10.15 profit per sale, which is quite a bargain, and there's no startup costs with this. It's completely free. So making money with Teespring over here is just a great second source of income, which could ultimately actually outperform your YouTube ad revenue. So I really recommend YouTube Shorts. As you saw the channel that I showed you, he is blowing up to millions of views in mostly every video, and he only has 60,000 subscribers and growing more by the day. So what I'll do for the giveaway that I promised in the beginning of this video, you just need to leave a like, make sure you subscribe, comment down below that you're ready, and I'll reply to your comments with that giveaway. And I'll also leave a playlist over here for you to help you out even more with YouTube channel growth, to boost your YouTube Shorts channel and get monetized in your first month, and ultimately make 4 different streams of income on YouTube from affiliate marketing, merch, sponsorship deals, and ad revenue, and all sorts of ways to make money from YouTube. So I really recommend click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.